Hello, David. I see you are unwell. Let me prescribe something for you.
Okay, there's still going to be a doctor involved. It's not quite a robot takeover just yet. Instead, this AI will be the software your doctor uses to help decide the best course of treatment. But that's not all. The drug you'll be prescribed was developed with the help of AI. The target it addresses was identified by AI. And the tools you'll use to track your recovery? Yep, you guessed it, AI. AI will rapidly transform our lives. And today, we'll explore how it's revolutionizing healthcare, from accelerating drug discovery to improving diagnosis and overall health outcomes.
I used to have to do that. Now we've got a robot that does it.
Drug discovery can be incredibly pricey. It can cost anywhere from $43.4 million to a jaw-dropping $4.2 billion. And it usually takes out 10 to 15 years to bring a new drug to market. What's wild is that around 86% of drug candidates developed between 2000 and 2015 ended up not meeting their goals. But here's the good news. We can cut costs and shorten timelines significantly with AI. The first fully AI-generated drug, INS 018-055, entered phase 2 clinical trials in 2023. Developed by in silico medicine, it targets idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a chronic lung disease. This drug has been in development for just 3 years, from 2020 to phase 2 trials, a significant acceleration compared to traditional methods. Additionally, in silico medicine is developing 2 other drugs, one for COVID-19 and another for tumor treatment, both of which have started phase 1 clinical trials. Another example is Exscientia, a company focused on using AI to create new drugs more efficiently and with greater precision than traditional methods. They just got bought by a bigger biotech firm called Recursion. In 2020, Exscientia developed the first AI-designed drug candidate, known as DSP-1181, which is designed to treat obsessive-compulsive disorder. DSP-1181 is a small molecule drug that targets the serotonin 5-HT1A receptor, a key player in alleviating the symptoms of OCD. One of Exscientia's key achievements was reducing the preclinical timeline from the typical 4 to 6 years to under 12 months. This was possible because they used an AI-driven platform to evaluate the vast number of potential molecules, predicting how they would interact with biological targets associated with OCD. Identifying protein structures is crucial for drug discovery because understanding a protein's structure helps us design drugs that fit perfectly into the target. AtomNet, developed by Atomwise, uses deep learning to predict how well small molecules bind to target proteins. It was used to find inhibitors for the Ebola virus protein, VP24, essential for immune evasion. By screening millions of compounds, AtomNet identified promising candidates that could inhibit VP24, potentially leading to new Ebola treatments. Then there's AlphaFold, developed by Google DeepMind. This AI platform predicts a protein's 3D structure just from its amino acid sequence. This approach makes the drug discovery process faster, cheaper, and increases the chances of developing effective therapies with fewer side effects. Would you believe that AI may outperform doctors in interpreting heart ultrasounds? It sounds like a bold claim, right? Some studies have shown that AI can outperform experienced sonographers in certain situations. For example, In a study involving 3,500 adults undergoing heart ultrasounds, half were assessed by AI and half by sonographers, with an average of 14 years of experience. Cardiologists later reviewed all the assessments without knowing which were done by AI and which by humans. They made significant adjustments to 27% of the sonographers' assessments, but only 16.8% of the AI's. With the demand for sonography on the rise and job growth for the sonographers expected to increase by 23% through 2026, AI could play a crucial role in addressing this shortage of sonographers in the US. But AI's potential in diagnostics doesn't stop there. Take DermaSensor, for example, a cutting-edge AI-powered device designed to evaluate skin lesions for cancer. In clinical trials, DermaSensor demonstrated a remarkable 96% sensitivity across all 224 forms of skin cancer, regardless of skin type. This high level of accuracy could significantly enhance early detection and improve outcomes for patients with skin cancer. Additionally, AI can help us identify disease patterns and develop ways of recognizing diseases. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, AI-based algorithms, analyze vast datasets of images and medical records to identify disease patterns quickly and accurately. For example, Kawasaki disease, which affects children's hearts and blood vessels, lacks a specific diagnostic test and is typically diagnosed based on clinical symptoms. Researchers developed a Kawasaki disease convolutional neural network model that analyzes thousands of clinical images to recognize Kawasaki disease-specific patterns. This model has proven to be both sensitive and specific, offering a precise and reliable tool for diagnosing Kawasaki disease in clinical settings. Detecting cancer early is more crucial than treating it. Nowadays, AI-based computer algorithms can predict the likelihood of future cancer development before any visible signs appear on a computer tomography image. How cool is that? For example, MIT and Mass General Cancer Center developed Sybil, an AI algorithm that detects and predicts lung cancer from CT images with up to 94% accuracy. Even more exciting, AI can detect breast cancer with higher accuracy than radiologists. Using Google's machine learning algorithm, scientists compared the performance of the AI system against the radiologists using two large datasets from the US and the UK. Researchers found that AI significantly reduced both false positives and false negatives, meaning the AI is better at avoiding false alarms and missing fewer actual cases of cancer. Have you checked out all the wearable devices out there? From fitness trackers to smartwatches. They are such great examples of remote patient monitoring, or RPM. These gadgets give you continuous health tracking, help catch health issues early, and provide personalized health insights using software trained with machine learning for analyzing the data. For example, take the Live Smart Patch. It measures your heart rate variability, or HRV, which is a shift in timing between each heartbeat, a scientifically proven biomarker of overall health. A lower HRV often means your body is in fight or flight mode, which can be caused by stress, poor heart health, or chronic diseases. On the other hand, a higher HRV usually indicates good heart health, better stress management, and overall well-being. The Live Patch is a wearable device that you place on your torso. It tracks your heart rate throughout the day and provides personalized feedback to help you stay healthy. Another cool device is a wearable ultrasound breast patch developed by MIT. It's designed for women at high risk of breast cancer and works alongside routine mammograms. This little patch can detect tiny tumors, even smaller than what traditional mammograms can find, And this was just the tip of the iceberg. There's so many more AI advances coming soon. But in the meantime, you can check out this video to learn more about how psychedelics may be used for mental health.